Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care under eye skin step by step. Gently cleanse the under eye area with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser using light tapping motions. Never scrub. Follow with cool water to soothe and reduce puffiness, and gently pat dry with a soft towel. Cleansing prepares skin to absorb treatments and prevents makeup buildup that can irritate delicate skin, so be consistent and gentle every day. Begin by applying a hydrating eye cream morning and night, using a pea-sized amount for both eyes. Gently tap the product in with your ring finger to avoid pulling the fragile skin. Choose formulas with hyaluronic acid for moisture and peptides for support, and wait a minute before applying sunscreen or makeup to let it sink in. Consistent hydration helps reduce fine lines and keeps the under eye area supple and smooth. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs nicely with calming sleep routines and guided meditations for better nighttime eye care habits. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can find it easily. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Protect the under eye area daily by applying broad-spectrum SPF and wearing sunglasses to prevent sun-driven damage. Use cold compresses or chilled spoons briefly to reduce morning puffiness and inflammation without overdoing it. At night, introduce a low-strength retinol or bakuchiol product gradually if your skin tolerates it, applying every few nights and building up frequency, while always following with hydration to minimize irritation and support skin renewal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.